minor flooding is forecast. Where? Ventura River at Foster Park. When? Until late tonight. Impacts at 19.1 feet. Ventura River begins to flood the Ventura Beach RV Resort. Additional details at 8:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday. The stage was 15.5 feet. Thankful stage is 15.9 feet. Forecast. The river will oscillate around flood stage with a maximum value of 18.6 feet this afternoon. Flood stage is 17.6 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to the previous crest of 18.2 feet on January 5th, 2023. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.